now it's time for us to see how much potato we have. I'm kind of scared and nervous because all the potato plants die like 20 days ago. So we're gonna see what we have.
Oh, we see this thing has no potato. So little. What's wrong with these potatoes? Then this one is so little.
Potatoes supposed to be small like this. It's a kind of potato.
Oh,
Yeah,
so
they're not big. Yeah.
Yeah. Make sure you dig in. Dead potato.
Right here, guys.
No, the dead potato.
That's it. That's all for that one.
Seriously? This is all we got from one.
Yay.
It needs to be washed.
All right, next one, guys.
Why don't you grow weed? Mommy, why don't you grow weed in your farm?
Okay, guys.
Done.
What is here? Nothing is here. What is this?
Nothing.
Oh my God, this one has no potato.
I can't find anything.
This one.
That potato plant scammed us. No. Ah, ah, ah. Oh, potato. Potato.
Oh my God.
Potato.
That's it.
How rude. Okay. Useless. Potatoes. Potato.
Okay, that's it. Okay, guys. Look.
So yeah, that's what I got. I got this. I got 10.
10.
No, it's 3. Look at mine.
Take home lesson is don't grow this next year. It is definitely not abundance. So if we rely on this harvest, we definitely will be on a very strict diet. But it was fun.